Factors of production. Every product we use, clothes, books, furniture, food, goes through several steps before reaching us. These steps make up the production process. To produce anything, businesses need different kinds of resources. In economics, these resources are called factors of production. They include land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and technology. To understand how these factors work together, imagine a small eatery run by Ragini. When she started her business, she needed a place to rent, money to buy equipment, people to help her, ideas for a menu, and basic ingredients. Over time, she built a team and created a successful business. Like Ragini, every producer combines different inputs to make goods or provide services. 1. Land and natural resources. In economics, land means all natural resources, not just a piece of ground. Soil, forests, water, minerals, sunlight, and even air are included. These resources form the base of all activities. Businesses either buy land or pay rent to use it. Natural resources are limited, so they must be used carefully and responsibly. 2. Labor, human effort. No production is possible without people. Labor refers to the physical and mental work done by farmers, drivers, teachers, engineers, carpenters, doctors, artists, and many others. Each person contributes based on skills, strength, training, and experience. People do more than physical work. They think, create ideas, solve problems, and innovate. This makes human beings the most important resource in production. Human capital, skills, education, and health. The quality of labor is known as human capital. It includes knowledge, training, creativity, and skills. Education helps students learn concepts and build understanding. Training helps apply knowledge to real situations. Healthcare ensures people stay strong and productive. A skilled, educated, and healthy population increases a country's growth. India has improved literacy rates but still needs better access to education, skills, and healthcare for everyone. Demographic advantage. India has one of the world's youngest populations. Around 65% of Indians are under 35. This creates a demographic dividend, meaning more working-age people than dependents. But this advantage works only if young people receive proper education and training. India's tradition of skills and crafts. India has a long history of skilled craftsmanship. Ancient texts called Silpa Sastras describe detailed methods for making sculptures, jewelry, and architecture. Craftspeople valued patience, discipline, and perfection. Many traditional techniques, like stitched wooden boats or handloom weaving, showcase India's deep artistic knowledge. These traditional skills are still important today, but some are declining due to changing demands and new technologies. 3. Capital tools, machines, and money. Every business needs capital, not just money, but all man-made resources required for production. These include tools, machines, buildings, vehicles, computers, and equipment. Capital increases speed, quality, and efficiency. Small businesses often use personal savings or bank loans to buy capital. Large companies may raise money through the stock market by selling shares. Machines and tools make it possible to produce goods on a large scale. 4. Entrepreneurship, ideas, risk, and innovation. An entrepreneur is a person who has an idea, takes risks, and brings together land, labor, capital, and technology. Entrepreneurs create businesses, solve problems, and offer new products or services. A famous example is J.R.D. Tata, who built major industries in steel, aviation, chemicals, hotels, and more. He believed in quality, discipline, and care for workers. His life shows that entrepreneurship is not only about earning profit but also about contributing to society. 5. Technology, making work faster and better. Technology means applying scientific knowledge to practical tasks. It includes simple tools like pulleys and modern systems like digital payments, robotics, drones, GPS, and automated machines. Technology helps work faster, reduce errors, improve quality, expand opportunities. Technology is also transforming education. Platforms like Swayam offer free online courses, and career portals like NCS help people find jobs. How all factors work together. All factors of production must coordinate smoothly. For example, producing a mobile phone requires land for the factory, skilled labor, capital like machines and tools, entrepreneurs to plan and manage, technology for design, assembly and testing. If even one factor is missing, production slows down or stops. Responsibilities linked to production. Businesses must also act responsibly. Environmental responsibility. Production should not harm nature. Waste, pollution, and careless use of resources can damage the environment. Companies must reduce, reuse, and recycle, and use resources wisely. Responsibility towards workers. Workers deserve fair wages, safe working conditions, training and opportunities, respect and non-discrimination. Many companies follow corporate social responsibility (CSR), spending part of their profits on community development, education, and environmental protection.